Ever wondered how banks actually work?
Let me show you how you can create stick figure animation for any niche, with the same figure across the whole video, all using free AI tools. If you want to learn how to create AI ads, the link is in the description. First, open ChatGPT. Ask it for a basic script. Once we have the script, we need image prompts. Go to this document and copy the image prompt. Copy the first line and paste it along with the image prompt. In the same way, copy the second line and get the image prompt for it as well. For image generation, we'll use Nano Banana Pro. But before that, we need a stick figure. The best way is to open Paint and create a new and unique figure for yourself. It will create a unique identity for you. If that's not possible, you can search for stick figure on Google. You'll find a lot of images. Choose one and download it. Open Flow. At the bottom, choose Create Image. Click on the plus icon and upload the figure that we downloaded. Then paste the image prompt. Flow will use the same figure in the image. In the same way, choose the figure, paste the prompt, and generate it. As you can see, the stick figure is the same in all the images. For video generation, the first option is VO 3.1. In Flow, if you are a free user, you get a one-time 100 credits, and then 50 credits daily. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a VO 3.1 prompt for that image, and also include dialogue. Copy the prompt. In Flow, you'll find an option called Add to Prompt. Switch to Frames to Video. In Models, choose VO 3.1 Fast. It will use 20 credits per generation.
A bank is a place where people keep their money safe. Ever wondered how banks actually work?
Downloaded in 720p or upscaled 1080p. Flow generates 8-second videos, but 50 credits daily is very limited. Another alternative is Grok.com. Go to the Imagine section and switch to video. Upload the image. Then use the same VO prompt. You can generate 20 videos daily on Grok for free. Grok generates 6-second videos.
A bank is a place where people keep their money safe.
Before downloading, upscale the video quality, then download it. That's it.